went up the chimney.
What's the name of your band?
And it's gonna be. I always told you, Santa goes up the chimney.
That's the name of the song. Is that the name of your band too?
It's gonna be the Peanut Butter Milkshake.
Peanut Butter Milkshake Band. Okay, here we go.
Ready? 1, 2, what do you say? 1, 2, 3, hit it.
Let me get up in the chair because I'm getting hot by fire.
Here goes the band. We're back up
Say
now. 1, 2, 3, hit it.
1, 2, 3, hit it.
What?
1, 2, 3, hit it.
Okay, say cut. Cut. You need to say cut. Jake.